that?
Not on it here. We're going to switch sides and way up the thing.
Okay, yeah, he's laid over it.
Yeah, I see.
Harbor 9 on south.
Harbor 9.
Just an update. We've located a kayaker in distress off of about 300 yards off of Lighthouse at Alki.
Kayaker in distress 30 yards off Lighthouse and Alki.
You all right? Not so much?
Good, sir. What's the perfect timing?
Okay, go ahead and just grab here for now. Okay, I got your kayak. Go ahead and grab the boat. Oh, I'm pinching you there. Got it? Ready? All right. Here. Go ahead and sit on the step there. You tired? Yeah, just sit down right here, and I'll get your kayak.
Dude, totally.
Okay, sit down.
Appreciate you.
I don't want you to fall back in. Sit. Go ahead, sit down. Step down here.
Parents, you guys are the best.
Think it's kind of confusing to you right now? Have you been?
You know, cold water.
Yeah, I'm thinking that. Just hold on to it. I'll be back there to help you. I mean, you just stay right here. Okay. You hold on to this okay for me.
Yeah, we gotta pull on board. We gotta get it down here.
Okay. You gonna pull it down or?
Yeah, I see.
It's full of water, so it's pretty heavy.